afternoon, everybody. This is Mustafa Driving School, driver training. We got lovely Toby here. Good. Right, okay. So Toby is really good. This is his second lesson. So the first lesson, what we've done, moving off, stopping, turning left and right. And today, the first 10-15 minutes, what we've done?
Just practicing mini roundabouts and just going over everything we've done already.
Meeting traffic as well.
And meeting traffic, yeah.
Right, so he's really good. He's an unusual learner, so the experience and knowledge he's got is somebody who's got like maybe 25-30 hours of lesson. Really good. So now we just discuss about the crossroad, how to deal with the crossroads, the one you wait in the middle and turn right. So I asked him help. He said he wants to have a go by himself. So now as we go here, so we got roundabout, pedestrian crossing and crossroad he's gonna do by himself. So stay tuned, and then at the end of the lesson I'll post a video and then you guys have a look, and I hope you find this video useful. Any question?
No, all good.
Let's go. Get the car ready when you're ready. Good. So I'll just give you direction and the rest I don't help you, okay?
Yeah.
Well done for the meeting traffic nicely. Beautiful, beautiful. So what information can you see to be ahead?
3 cars at the roundabout.
Thank you. At the roundabout, I would like you to turn right to me.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, and this roundabout, Toby, I would like you to turn a left first exit. Thank you. How's the roundabout?
Yeah, it's alright.
Done?
Quite lucky, not many cars.
Nice. Can you see ahead, Toby?
A couple of cars waiting at the mini roundabout.
Thank you. Are the mini
Oh,
roundabout?
no, there's someone in the bus stop.
Yeah, mini roundabout, you're going ahead, okay?
Yeah.
Going ahead. And at the mini roundabout coming up now,
Yeah.
turn on right please, right. How's the roundabout of it?
It's alright.
Okay, so Crossroads coming up now, okay?
Yeah.
So we are turning right at Crossroads, yeah?
Yeah.
And guys, this is the first time Toby is doing the Crossroads, so you never done before, and so he's doing by himself without any help.
As we turned right on the crossroad, he should have stayed on left lane.
Okay, stay here.
I'm trying to get over, but he won't let me.
Stay here. So now do the mirror signal. Signal. Yeah, come in, come in, come in. So now we're going to be turning left, okay?
Yeah.
Keep the speed up. That's it. And go left, okay? Nice and slow. There you go. Left side, yes, foot. I'm going left, okay? And how's that time?
That was much better.
Yes, well done. Yeah?
Yeah.
How do you feel when you do that?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
Cool as cucumber, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice and smooth. Well done, well done. Good. How's that?
Yeah. Good.
See all that traffic is clear in one traffic light.
Yeah, exactly.
After us, only one car, with nobody else. right? How much space you